This is a horn and this is honking. Unnecessary honking, the most misused feature of any car. Think about the poor red light. Why bother it with honking when everyone there is waiting for it to turn green? Think about the newbie, still learning to drive, and the sense of embarrassment a honk brings to them. Abuses and anger takes the form of honking, reason for even more road rage. So many forms of honking. This and this one too. Causes too much agony, right? Introducing Doppler by DriveU, a super intelligent, cool portable device that uses a ninja technique of long-range frequency active noise cancellation. Just a press of a button and peace gets restored. It's time to be cool, not a fool. Doppler, Honk Jammer by DriveU. For more information, visit doppler.driveu.in.